Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you top 5 best lift kits on the market in this year with budget friendly. Get ready for an in-depth review that'll help you decide if this gadget lives up to the hype. Check the link in the description. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. So let's start. Number 1. Revitalize your ride with DynoFit lift kits. Transform your vehicle into the ultimate off-road beast with these top-notch lift kits. Experience unparalleled performance and style as you conquer rough terrains with ease. DynoFit's precision engineering ensures a seamless installation process, and their durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to adventure. Upgrade your vehicle's capabilities today with DynoFit lift kits. Unleash the true potential of your ride like never before. Number 2. Flyco lift kits, the ultimate upgrade for thrill seekers and off-road enthusiasts. Elevate your vehicle's style and performance with these top-tier lift kits. Transform ordinary rides into rugged beasts with enhanced ground clearance and head-turning aesthetics. Whether you're conquering rocky terrains or simply cruising the streets, Flyco delivers unmatched quality and durability. Installation is a breeze, and the results are jaw-dropping. Unleash the adventurer in you today. Your journey to new heights begins with Flyco lift kits. Number 3. BDFHYK lift kits. These kits redefine the way your vehicles conquer terrain. With precision engineering, they provide a seamless lift, enhancing ground clearance without compromising stability. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the user-friendly design. Your rig will not only look beastly but also perform like a champ on rugged trails crafted by BDFHYK, a trusted name in automotive accessories. This lift kit is the ultimate fusion of quality and style. Elevate your adventure today. Number 4. Autoptim lift kits, the ultimate upgrade for your vehicle. Elevate your driving experience with these top-tier lift kits. Unleash your vehicle's true potential while turning heads on and off the road. Experience enhanced ground clearance and a bold new look that demands attention. Autoptim's precision engineering ensures a seamless installation, delivering unmatched performance and durability. Whether you're tackling rough terrains or simply want to stand out, these lift kits have you covered. Elevate, empower, and excel with Autoptim lift kits. Number 5. Supreme Suspension's lift kits are an absolute game changer for vehicles craving that extra edge. Picture your ride elevated to a whole new level of style and performance. With precision engineering, these kits deliver a seamless boost in ground clearance, making off-road adventures a breeze. The rugged durability ensures they stand strong against the toughest terrains. Install? A breeze, even for the DIY novice. Plus, the killer looks you get? Jaw-dropping. Trust me, you'll be turning heads on and off the road. Supreme Suspensions, where innovation meets elevation. In conclusion, selecting the right lift kit can significantly enhance your vehicle's performance and appearance. Whether you're after off-road adventures or a sleek urban look, there's a perfect kit for you. Thanks for watching, and remember to make an informed choice to elevate your driving experience.